Every woman's success today can feel an inspiration for other women. No wonder we feel strongest when we cheer for each other. Today, I have a very special guest on my podcast, or I should say, she is the reason for me being here as the host of the series. Over the years, I have seen this friend of mine working so quietly. In a world when everybody wants spotlight, here is someone who decided to shine not through her presence, but her attitude, her work, and her selfless contribution to the society. Founder of Ashwika Foundation, an organization dedicated to mental healing and talks about mind, body, soul. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my series From the Heart. And I'm so excited to have a special guest today join me, a very dear friend, Shama Soni. So let's talk to her. Hi, Shama.
Hi, Divya.
Thank you for being on my series From
My
the Heart.
pleasure.
And it really feels very special for the friendship that we both have shared over the years to have you here. And now, being a part of your Nari campaign, it even feels a stronger bond day by day.
Definitely, Divya.
So, what a beautiful platform you've created with Nari. And every time when I connect with it for any workshop or any event, it's just felt that, we all want to do good work for the society. But sometimes we are also confused. We don't know. Like, a lot of my friends also keep asking me that how can we contribute to the society? How can we help others? But this word help doesn't always come so easy because you need the right people to guide us. So I think you have been that guide for so many women at Nari. So tell me something about Nari campaign and how you feel that we both can make it even more stronger and better with time.
See, Divya, we have been talking about the Nari campaign. We want the women, underprivileged women, to be emotionally and financially independent. So we can ask our friends group, whoever wants to devote their time by teaching some modality.
Okay.
By if they are running some business, they can give them some work. Like we make a lot of tote bags, good teas. So if we have any event organizers, they can get
Source
them,
from them.
yeah, they can
Yeah.
source from them. Or if anybody is doing Guruji ka satsang, so we do make Guruji ka cholas. We make a lot of giveaways for them,
Right.
so they can give
A lot of festival hampers I've
Yes,
seen
yeah,
that
so
we've been
festival
doing.
hampers we do. And like for Karwa Chauth, and we have dupattas, cash envelopes, we all use.
And I think we can even customize. If
Yes,
somebody
yes,
really
yes.
wants something very special
We can
and they want to
customize.
help the woman out
Yeah,
there, they can
yeah.
give us the idea.
So that'll be a great help if these women get some work, because they have learned, they have
Okay.
given so much of like 4 to 5 months it takes to complete the course.
Yeah.
So if they keep on getting something or the other work,
It will keep them motivated.
yes, it will
Yeah.
keep them motivated,
Yeah.
and they'll be more financially independent.
Which is so important
Yes,
because
it
that will
is.
give them that confidence.
Definitely.
See, you have given them a skill.
Yeah.
You've given them a certified course. But if we, as the women of the society, don't come forward
Yeah.
to give them opportunities, then how will they find a path? वो तो फिर वही skill they will learn and they'll go back to their
Yeah,
houses.
and my the stitching course here, what we provide, it is affiliated with Singer,
Okay.
and the computer course we provide is affiliated with Microsoft.
How nice. So it's a proper
yes,
certified
yes,
course.
it's a proper certified course.
So I think even people, what I understand from your conversation, those who have fashion brands and
Yes,
boutiques
yes.
can give them fabrics and ideas.
Yeah.
Or people who are already have their own brands, they can have a small section for the NGO help.
Yeah.
Where they can source our
And
products.
if there are some people who have their CSRs, they can give us a
Oh,
CSR
yeah.
help.
Yes.
We can work with their CSRs.
Okay.
So that we will discuss
Huh.
individually. But I'm just
Because that's so important
talking
because
loud
we are
that yes,
looking
we can
for
work with CSRs.
Okay. And even I think this podcast that you have started, that is such a wonderful initiative for women to come and share their stories.
Yes, definitely.
What do you think
there
about
are a lot
that?
of women who have their story of resilience and which can inspire other women. They we are open to or we have opened our platform for them only, so they
Yeah.
can come forward and talk about it.
How nice, how nice. How you and I have spoken and so many other guests that we've had.
Yeah.
I think they've had such incredible
And
journeys.
if anyone have their more ideas, we are open to taking their ideas also, how we can grow and do do something for the
Do
betterment
something.
of the society.
How lovely. So, Shama, the amount of amazing work that you're doing, and you wear multiple hats. I think as a woman, most importantly, then as a daughter, as a mother, as a daughter-in-law, as such a loyal friend that you are, and most importantly, as a caregiver. So, and of course, the organizations that you're supporting, the communities that you're supporting, you are the founder for so many groups. But out of all these roles, which is the most special role that is closest to your heart, and why?
See, they all are my babies.
Absolutely.
They all
You
are
and you are also a baby of few roles as a
yeah.
daughter.
So they all are equally important to me,
Hmm.
and I cannot pick and choose one. But yes, on every stage or every where I feel uh, like women community is
Hmm.
very close to my heart, where I see that because you've seen there are a lot of communities here which works on entrepreneurship. So
Hmm.
they have every time I've seen their women who are competing with each other.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
when I talk about this women community, there we all are collectively healing ourselves.
Hmm.
So that gives me a sense of pride. When I come to Nari, I feel these women, when they had come here, they were so low, they were so
Hmm.
drained out, unhappy. And within few months, you see a happy spark on their faces. They're
Absolutely.
smiling, they're more confident.
Hmm.
So I think every initiative has a different
So you're
impact
not
on
choosing
me.
one, but I think to sum it all, we should say that you being a caregiver
Yeah.
to all the roles that you have in your life is what makes
Anything
it so
related to
special.
women wellness is special to
Is
me.
special to me. So thank you so much, Shama, for sharing that, that pure feelings typically coming from the heart on my page. And all I can say that women like you make me believe that if we cheer for each other together, there is definitely no looking back. I think
Definitely,
there
Divya.
are gone are the days when we used to say, a woman is a woman's biggest enemy.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Now we
Today,
have a space of sisterhood. Yeah,
sisterhood, yeah.
yes,
So more and more growing sisterhood with you together and
definitely.
forever.
Thank you,
All the
thank you,
best.
thank you.
Thank you.